How to change Yahoo email username. For that, simply you need to open browser and navigate to the yahoo.com. Then after that, you will get access to this official site of Yahoo email. Then you need to sign in to your Yahoo email account. For that, simply you need to click on sign in button at the upper right corner and enter the credential here necessary to sign in your Yahoo account. Then you need to click next button. Then after you enter your email address here, you need to simply enter the password in this page. Once you enter the password, you need to click on next button. After you are done signing in your Yahoo account, you need to simply click on this inbox at the upper right corner. After that, simply you need to click on this gear icon at the upper right corner. Now click on more settings, and on the left side you can see the mailboxes option. Click on it, and simply you need to click on your email address. At the right side you can see that a new section has been appeared. Simply you need to click on your name and change your username here. After you have made all the changes in this section, you can simply click on save button at the bottom left corner. So after you are done with that, you can easily change Yahoo email username following this step. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.